What is up, guys? How are y'all doing? We haven't done a little POV in a minute. Look at the beautiful water. That's crazy. These two cornballs are hogging up the lane. Not sure why, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and get through there like that. Okay. Alright. We might as well carry it up there, y'all. Rips. What a freaking way to start off a POV drive, man. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. Hope y'all are doing wonderful. I'm currently headed out of town, as y'all can see. I am in a different state. I know, y'all. I know. I done put this car on the road so many times, bro. I'm gonna put miles on my car, bro. I'm gonna put miles on my car. I paid for it. I'm gonna put miles on it. Like, it's just something I'm gonna do. Anyway, man, that's neither here nor there. I just want to tell y'all, today I had a thought. I was washing my car today, and I don't want anybody to take this the wrong way on what I'm about to say, but there's times in my life in the past where I was like, bro, I don't want to be here. And like, obviously I'm not gonna harm myself, I'm not gonna hurt myself or anything like that, because it does take one strong person to do that, and I'm not that strong. I can't harm myself or hurt myself. I've never even had those thoughts, you know. But there was times where it was just like life was hitting me so hard and just knocking me down and beating me up, and I'm like, bro, oh my goodness, like, is it ever gonna get better? Is it ever gonna get better? And today when I was washing my car, man, I was like, I am so freaking grateful, bro. I'm so freaking grateful, because look at where I'm at, bro. Like, I may not be where I want to be in life. I don't have all the things I want to have in life. I'm not in and where I could be at spiritually. I'm not where I could be there. You know, I don't have everything, you know. Y'all see the car, y'all see the mods, and y'all see all that stuff, but I promise y'all, I don't have everything. And everything that I do have, I've worked tremendously hard for, man. I have worked very hard day and night to get to where I'm at, you know. This, like, none of this was handed to me. I don't come from like wealth or any of that, but I say all that to say, man, I never thought I'd be here. Like, you know, like, I'm driving a 2023 F90, the newest car I've ever owned. I had this in the same year of 2023. Like, it's crazy, and it's just like, I just want to encourage y'all and push y'all to just keep freaking going, man. Like, life's gonna get hard, life's gonna beat you up. Giving up is hard, not giving up is hard. Either way, it's gonna be hard, and I just want to encourage y'all and push y'all to just keep going, keep trying, keep living, try different things. If something's not working out, something better is in store for you. God has something better in store for you, man. So I just want y'all to keep going. I just want y'all to be encouraged. I want y'all to be motivated. I want y'all to just try something new every day, bro. Like, in my videos, I try to do something different in my videos every day to make it better, bro. I want to make my videos better. So in every video, I'm trying to improve and improve and improve. And I just washed my car, and I'm literally driving it out of town. So the car was clean before it started, as you guys can see. Y'all can low-key look at the mirrors and windows. Also, I messed up, y'all. So my radar is hardwired in, but look, I freaking pulled the thing out. I literally pulled the thing out on accident, which I don't know how, but it's okay, because I just plugged the cord in. But I just want to motivate y'all, man. That's like the purpose of my YouTube channel, is to just do everything like with y'all, so y'all can see, like, bro, y'all saw how many times y'all told me to get a front lip, how many times y'all told me to get this and get that, and like, yeah, bro, I'm not just gonna go buy it right away, but I worked, and I got what I wanted. It wasn't give it to me. I put in the hard work, I put in the effort, I put in the grind, I put in the time, and it got me to where I am. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't just go order it when y'all said order it because, hey, I gotta work. I like, don't nobody pay my bills, don't nobody, you know, do anything for me to live. So I had to do what I had to do, and I went out and worked and I got it. So I just want y'all to just be like I know life is hard, bro. I promise y'all, I know life is hard. Like, I want to be very transparent with y'all. Life is hard. I know I've experienced it, and I don't want y'all to think like, oh, he got an M5, his life's great. Promise you, it's better than life without an M5, but it ain't like my life is all flowers and sunshine and all that stuff, bro. Y'all been talking to me about this windshield. Y'all not paying the $3,400 to get that fixed. I gotta pay that. I have to spend that when I can get wheels for $3,400, you know? So just, I'm moving at my own pace. I'm doing my own thing at my own pace, and I'm timing myself, bro. I'm not in competition with anybody. Like, whatever anybody else, I don't even know what other people have going on, if I'm being honest, bro. I literally have no idea what other people have going on because I'm so in tune with myself and trying to figure out how I can better myself and do things better for myself. I want to be a successful automotive YouTuber. That is my dream. I want to have a barndominium. I want to have 10, 12, 15 cars at a time and be able to maintain and take care of them and not be stressed out about payments or any of that stuff. That's the life I want to live. I want to have my own land. I want to have my own brand. I want to do all this on my own. And that takes me to my next point, man. I appreciate this car so much solely off the fact that everything that was done to this car was done by me. I did all of this work, like everything, the hardwiring, the radar, the lip, the hood. Obviously I had help from friends and stuff with the hood, and you know, I did the side skirts, I did the diffuser. So I really appreciate it because I did it. Now, could I have paid a shop to do it and they did it in one day and did all this at once 10 times better, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, of course, but I find enjoyment, I find peace out of doing things myself, and it also makes me appreciate it more because when I am putting my time into this car, that is something I can't get back. Like, I can't get my time back. Money I can get back. Time I cannot. I cannot get my time back at all. But my money, I can get that back. So it's like, I put my time, I put my hard work, I put my sweat. I know if y'all watched the last video where we went over all the mods, I was sweating like crazy in that video. And I had a great time making it. I really enjoyed making it, you know? So I didn't mind it, but it just, like, YouTube, you can't just build a YouTube like off monetary things, you know what I'm saying? Or not monetary, what's the word I'm looking for? Materialistic things. Like, I can't go just like, I mean, I can't go buy subscribers and go buy followers, but that's not something I'm gonna do. Like, y'all mess with me because of my personality, and obviously because of the car. We share the same interests. We have common ground somewhere for us all to like meet. And like, hey, like, I may like a certain music that y'all may not like, but we all like the same car still, you know what I'm saying? So I also appreciate every single one of y'all who watch my videos, who click on my videos, who looks and who support me. Like, I really appreciate it, bro, because my content, like, I just do what I want to do, and y'all support me, you know what I'm saying? I'm not controlled. I'm not like, I don't have to watch what I say. I just do what I want to do, and y'all support it, and I love it, man. And it's great having y'all, bro. It's actually great having y'all, and this is literally a dream of mine to be a content creator, a YouTuber. I'd rather be known as a YouTuber than a TikToker, but I want to do all social media. I want to do the Snapchat, I want to do the YouTube, I want to do the TikTok, the Instagram, the Facebook. I want to do it all, man. I want y'all to be able to reach out to me on every platform, which, speaking of that, I have created a Discord, guys. So in the link in the bio, go ahead and join the Discord where we can chat, we can talk about mods, we can talk about the future cars we want. Like, I want to be able to talk to you guys, communicate with you guys, hang out with you guys, because y'all support me, bro. We are all internet friends. If y'all don't feel like y'all got nobody, y'all got me. Just jump in the chat with me. Let's talk. Let's you know, let's get to know each other, man. Like, y'all can see like my life and everything. I'll post updates with the cars. I'll let y'all know what's going on, man. So make sure you guys go ahead and join the Discord, because we are gonna have so much fun in the Discord, bro. Because that's gonna be like all the stuff that's off camera. I know I said I was getting back into the vlogs, which I am. Don't get it messed up. I am still getting back into the vlogs. This is just what I'm doing right now because I am traveling. So I have business out of town literally all the time. So just when business calls, you kind of gotta do what you gotta do. But I want y'all to like challenge yourself, man. I want y'all to just try something you never tried before. Like, if it doesn't work out, who cares? Don't care about what people think. Don't care about, like, I cannot emphasize that enough. You cannot care what people think, bro. If you care what people think, you're literally not ever gonna be happy, bro. I know, because I used to care what people think. And I'm not ashamed to admit that. You learn from your mistakes, bro. If I make a mistake and I can share it with y'all and y'all don't make the same mistake I did, that's perfectly fine with me. But I know I used to care about what people think, and I feel like it held me back more than it should have, you know? But now that I really am like isolated, I don't really hang out with anyone, I don't really talk to anyone, kind of just make YouTube videos, which I'm very happy with because I'm doing what I love. I realize I don't really care what people think, you know? I just post my content, and if it goes up, it goes up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And when y'all are posting content and y'all are wanting to do the social media, don't look at your numbers. Guys, look at my numbers, honestly. I'm pulling 2K views, and I've been on YouTube. Stay in your lane. I smacked the handicap sticker off that license plate, boy. If y'all look at my YouTube, guys, I've been doing YouTube for a little over a year now, consistently on this channel. I do have another channel, but on this channel, over a year I've been doing it, and I'm only averaging like I'm averaging around 2,000 views per video. You know what I'm saying? So, and I've been doing this for a year, so I don't want you guys to think it comes overnight. You know what I'm saying? It's hard. It's not easy. There's been times I wanted to give up. There's times that I was not motivated, that I didn't want to do it, that I was like, is this even the path? And I've questioned it, like, is this my path? Like, is this what I'm supposed to be doing? Because the video doesn't do good. And then I just post one random video that you guys saw the other day. It's at like 55K views, 56K views. You never know what's gonna hit. So just post your content and get some support between, you know, the platforms, and you build up your content, man. But you may not be where you want to be, and if you make the wrong decision, you won't be going where you want to go. But there are good things in store for all of us. We can all win, we can all be great, and I want y'all to know, bro, like, life's gonna be hard regardless. I'm not gonna hear it. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. I'm not gonna act like it's not. Life's gonna be hard regardless. Whether you have the money, whether you don't. Money does make it easier, let's be honest. You know, I'm not one of those people like, money doesn't bring happiness. Money, close enough. Close enough, it does. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love this M5. This M5 has just taught me so much. It brought me so much peace, met so many cool people and everything, man. But I'm just yapping at this point, but I want y'all to never give up. I want y'all to keep going. I want us all to win. I want us all to do great, and we will. And I just want to say thank y'all again for the support. We are at 13,000 subscribers in a year, bro. Literally a year. Because I got this car April 12th. April 12th, I got this car. And we are at 13,000 subscribers. So I cannot thank you guys enough. Y'all are amazing. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.